Welcome to this channel once again. Today I want to introduce to you DC compressor for air condition. This DC compressor is the type of compressor that consumes lower amount of energy. It saves 75% of energy in comparison with the compressor that is working on AC currents, on alternating currents that people have been using with their air conditioner all over the world. So this compressor is new idea, is new technology. Most especially is good for you people that want to do the business of ice block machine, ice block business, that want to be selling frozen food. For instance, from our previous video, we have introduced the DC compressor for freezer, for fridges. Many people have benefited from it. So many people have been using that in their house already. But this one is for air condition that you can also use for your industrial purpose, like ice block machine, and you can also use it for your cold room business. Keep watching.
Now let us bring the compressor to this bench. It is time to open the wood package to bring out the compressor inside the wooden package. We are using screwdriver to pull off the wooden cover. So now that we have removed the top wooden cover, that small carton we just brought out, inside is compressor driver, the compressor controller, and inside that main carton remaining in the wooden box is the main compressor. So compressor gangan on the one in the box, that is the main compressor. Compressor gangan. So now, inside the remaining wooden package is compressor shoe. That is compressor shoe. Compressor shoe. That is compressor shoe. So let us open the carton and bring the compressor out. So that is the compressor. Small but mighty. That is small body, big engine. Yes, you can see that's 48 volts DC compressor for air condition. That is a powerful compressor. Now let us bring out the compressor driver, the compressor motor controller. So that is the compressor driver. You can see no other thing in the remaining carton where the compressor driver was brought out. So let us pull off those package, the carton, and let us go straight into the wiring. Actually, in this video is to demonstrate to you that this compressor performs on DC current. There is another video that we are going to release very soon. You can see this is 4 batteries. Yes, 4 batteries, 12 volts each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of AGM batteries. Each of the battery is 12 volts DC. So we are proceeding into the connection. You can see in that diagram. So actually in this video is to demonstrate the performance of this compressor to you, as we are going to release another video that will show more analysis on the wiring. Ladies and gentlemen, we have connected the compressor driver to the terminal block on the head of the compressor, and now we are proceeding to cover the head of the compressor. So after connecting the cable, the main series cable, to the terminal block on the head of the compressor, the remaining one is to connect the power supply to the main input cable, which is red and black cable that will be connected to the 48 volts battery. So after connecting the supply cable to the battery, next is to connect the thermostat cable. At the absence of the thermostat, for the test running alone, you can bridge the thermostat cable just for test running. So now we have powered it on. We have connected the switch cable and we have on it. You can see, you can perceive the sound. That is the outlet tube, pressure tube. You can perceive the sound. That is the pressure tube. That is suction tube. It's sucking very powerfully and is pumping very powerfully. Now let us go and check the current consumption. So we are going to check the current draw. At the moment, it is running without load. We are going to see the current is consumed when it's not on load, and we are going to use our hand to block the pressure tube to make it react like it's on load, to also see the current is going to consume. So at the moment it's consumed 6 amps when we didn't block the tube. As we block the tube, it jumped to 8 to 10 amps. That is how it's going to consume power on load, which means it's going to consume maximum of 10 amps on load. When there is no load on it, when we remove our hand from the tube, as the compressor is working, it consumes 6 amps, which means it's going to consume 6 amps when you have not installed it. But immediately you install it and you fill in the gas, it consumes between 8 to 10 amps, which is more economical than when you install your air condition on inverter, which is going to draw more current than this. This is very, very economical because the compressor is using brushless DC motor, which has already saved up to 75% of energy. So now let us put the compressor shoe. The compressor shoe is the mounting rubber the compressor will sit upon when you are installing it in the body of your air condition or in the body of your ice block machine. So that is the compressor shoe. This compressor comes with speed adjuster. You can lower the temperature of your air condition by turning down the knob that is connected to the compressor driver. Actually, the knob is going to install at the body of your air condition. So if you are using it for your ice block machine, there is no need to turn the knob down because you need to put it at the maximum to get the fast results. The compressor is working very excellently well. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to know that this is 4 battery, which is 48 volts. As you can see, the wiring to the motor controller, and from the motor controller to the compressor engine, that is the switch, and this is the cable that will be connected to the thermostat. By disconnecting it, the compressor stop. That is the 2 yellow cable. So the yellow cable for the thermostat can be bridged together partially for test running alone, which is to be disconnected and connect to thermostat when installing it properly. We have on it again. Let's see the sound. You can see that the compressor have peaked and is working perfectly. Actually, it's not going to make noise like this when you install it. It's because the inlet tube, the suction tube and the pressure tube has not been connected to the pipe inside your air conditioner or into your ice block machine. That's why you are perceiving the internal sound from the compressor. It is a very cool compressor that works excellently well. This will make your business move faster. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. See you next time.